Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to mastering criminal jurisprudence. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Criminal Law and Jurisprudence, 10 Review Questions, Set 6A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. An act or omission which is a result of a misapprehension of facts that is voluntary but not intentional. A. Impossible crime. B. Mistake of facts. C. Accidental crime. D. Complex crime. Infanticide is committed by killing a child not more than A. 36 hours. B. 24 hours. C. 48 hours. D. 72 hours. Ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. A. Ignorantia legis non excusat. B. Parens patriae. C. Residential ipsa loquitur. D. Duro lex sed lex. An act which would be an offense against persons or property if it was not for the inherent impossibility of its accomplishment. A. Compound crime. B. Impossible crime. C. Complex crime. D. Accidental crime. The law which reimposed the death penalty. A. RA 5425. B. RA 8553. CRA 7659. DRA 8551. One who is deprived completely of reason or discernment and freedom of the will at the time of the commission of the crime. A. Discernment. B. Insanity. C. Epilepsy. D. Imbecility. The quality by which an act may be subscribed to a person as its owner or author. A. Responsibility. B. Duty. C. Guilt. D. Imputability. Something that happen outside the sway of our will, and though it comes about through some acts of our will, lies beyond the bounds of humanly foreseeable consequences. A. Fortuitous event. B. Fate. C. Accident. D. Destiny. A. Sworn written statement charging a person with an offense, subscribed by the offended party, any peace officer or other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. A. Subpoena. B. Information. C. Complaint. D. Writ. This right of the accused is founded on the principle of justice and is intended not to protect the guilty but to prevent as far as human agencies can the conviction of an innocent person. A. Right to due process of law. B. Presumption of innocence. C. Right to remain silent. D. Right against self-incrimination. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.